Hello everyone, you're welcome back. Let's make some Scottish shortbread. Before I proceed, I will introduce you to my ingredients. This recipe requires few ingredients. You need butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, and all-purpose flour. So I'm going to start by creaming my butter. If you have a hand mixer, please bring it out, make use of it, but I do not have, so I'm going to be creaming this manually. So I'm going to be adding in some powdered sugar. I'm using 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and I'm going to use my spatula to cream this. So the reason why you require a mixer is that it will reduce the time you're going to spend in mixing this, and also you will get a consistent texture. But if you don't have, it's fine, you can do it as I am doing now. So make sure you mix this very well, make sure that it's very creamy and very nice. So I'm going in with some 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, depending on how much you want to add to your cookies. Okay, so I'm also going to mix this very well. Make sure you mix this properly before adding the remaining of the ingredients. So guys, this shortbread is the easiest recipe I ever created on this channel. You can make this for your family and friends, and the ingredients required for this is they are readily available anywhere. You can do this just in 30 minutes you are done. So for my dry ingredients, I'm using all-purpose flour, some powdered some baking powder, and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to go in with my dried ingredients into the butter mix. So I transfer the butter mix into another bowl because the one I'm using earlier was too small for this, and I'm going to mix this with my hand, so that way I can get a very consistent texture. So I'm going to mix this and add the remaining flour into the butter mix. And okay, now this adding of milk is totally optional, but I like to add milk to my shortbread, so you can skip it if you want. So I'm going to place that on a board, and a chopping board. Just use my rolling pin to roll it, and just to give it that signature shortbread shape. Okay, so using a fork, I'm poking in holes into the short. So once I was done creating holes in the shortbread, I transferred them into my baking pan, and I'm going to transfer it into the oven, a preheated oven. So I'm going to bake this for 45 minutes, and after that I'll come back to check. So guys, let me know if you are going to be making this for your family and friends this Xmas period. If you are going to be doing that, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so after 45 minutes, my shortbread was ready, so I took it down from the oven and allowed it to cool down, so you can see how delicious they look. So don't worry about the shape. This is like a homemade shortbread, so you don't expect it to be perfect. Okay, so look at me trying my shortbread out. It came out really nice. It's very soft on the inside. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Bye.